Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, language and input, languages, and tap on add language. Here you can see the whole list of languages which you can set your device in. Let's choose, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next is to drag it on top like this, and it will change automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, then to the система, мова та ведення, мови, and you have to drag English on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.